You're Mumble Bunch, aren't you?
This is Toby from Mumble Bunch, and Apple recently released the iPod Nano first generation replacement program. So if you have a first generation iPod Nano, then it has a tendency for the battery to explode, which really isn't good. I mean, it's in very rare cases, but still, really isn't good. So, if you have an iPod Nano first generation, then you send it into Apple, and they'll send you back an iPod Nano 6th generation for free. So here's the webpage about it. I'll put the link in the description, and it's just on Apple's website. And it just says that you should put the code number of your device in, and then it'll search to see if it qualifies, and if it does, then they'll send you out a box. So I've done this, and I'm awaiting the package back. So let's see if I get anything good.